has an inlet pipe here which will go into your tank. Oil will come into this inlet unit and go through the filter chamber into the holding tank. The filter will collect all contamination and sludge which has to be cleaned. After it goes into the tank, the tank has an oil skimmer which is rotating inside. The skimmer will remove all contamination into this chamber, with all tramp oil being removed back out. What we also ensure is pH monitoring. We always want to ensure that your pH level is being maintained, for which we have an online pH monitor. This will let you know whether to change your oil or maintain it, or your coolants.